So, this is lecture 18, and in this lecture, we are going to discuss about step response of LSI system. Okay, how to calculate this step response. Okay, so if I talk about the step response, step is response. Firstly, the step response denoted by Sn. Okay, of a discrete time LSI system is defined to be the response of system when input is unit step. Okay, sequence means you are giving input as un. Okay, so obviously as a name suggesting over here step, okay, means you are giving the input as a un unit step दे रहे हो and then you are calculating the response impulse response. So उसको ही जो हमारा response आएगा उसको हम बोलेंगे impulse response, but when you are giving the input is un, then it will be called as the step response denoted by Sn. So we have to calculate the value of Sn. Okay, अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछता है कि calculate the step response, then you have to calculate the Sn value. If they are asking about the impulse response, then you have to calculate Hm in terms of Sn. Okay, it will be given in your question. Okay, anyway, we know if I talk about this equation parts, that yn equal to xn convolution hn. We know this definition. ओके, और इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं हम के इक्वल टू माइनस इंफिनिटी टू इंफिनिटी एक्स के एच एन माइनस के. We have seen this definition. Okay, now if I talk about the in this condition, what he is saying that xk equal to uk. Okay, or xt equal to xn equal to un. When you are putting xn की जगह k replace कर रहे हैं, so we can say input is unit step. So xk is the input and उसको हम क्या put कर रहे हैं unit step. So when you put this value, obviously your yn equal to क्या हो जाएगा Sn, क्योंकि उसको ही हम क्या बोल रहे हैं step response. So yn will be your Sn. So according to this, you can easily write it down. Sn equal to input क्या है un है, convolution with hn, and इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं k equal to minus infinity to infinity uk h n minus k. Same thing I have written over in terms of Sn. Okay, so this is you have to understand. Okay, because we are giving input, let xk equal to uk, not let because it is mandatory. Okay, I'm just putting the arrow over here. Okay, so when you are putting xk equal to uk, let's see the our output response by n will be your step response, that is represented by Sn. Now we know इसके आगे if you want to solve, this is uk, so obviously the limit of k will be starting from 0. It is understood because you are multiplying with uk unit step, so it will be right sided. So only h n minus k will be available over here. Now, if I talk about this value, okay, let this n minus k equal to m. ओके, जो n माइनस के है ये टर्म यूज कर रहे हैं उसको हमने मान लिया m. Okay, why we am saying? Because we have to change the limit. So now if I want to write it down this Sn, okay, which is coming this k equal to 0 to h n minus k. Now when you are putting n minus k equal to 1, sorry, m, so for k equal to, for k equal to 0, if you are considering, because here the limit is k equal to 0, so when you are considering k equal to 0, in that case this m will be n, and when you are putting this k equal to infinity here, okay, so your m will be infinity. So writing this equation, let's see, this is equation number 1. In terms of m, so what will be the equation? Sn equal to summation m equal to n to minus infinity, that will be minus infinity, okay, because you are putting the k equal to infinity over here, okay, so k equal to infinity, it will be minus infinity. So m equal to n to minus infinity h m, we can write it down easily with the help of this equation 1 and these values, or we can write it down the same equation by interchanging the limit. So you can write it down m equal to minus infinity to n hm also. So let's see, this is equation number 2. Okay, so Sn की equation हमारे पास आ गई m equal to minus infinity to n h m, where m is equal to n minus k. Okay, now if you put this value, or equation 2 can be written as let's t h equal to n, okay, let's see, हमने nth value find out बाहर कर ली, okay, so it will be plus m equal to minus infinity and it will be n minus 1 hm. So I have taken hn outside, okay, जो सीरीज आपकी जा रही थी माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू एन, सो जो nth टर्म था उसको हमने सेपरेट कर लिया, सो ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी रिटर्न, अब जो समेशन होगा वो कहां से होगा, माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू एन माइनस 1, क्योंकि nth वाला मैंने बाहर निकाल लिया, सो इजिली वी कैन राइट इट डाउन दिस, ओके, और इसी इक्वेशन को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम, एस एन इक्वल टू एच एन प्लस एच, सॉरी, this s and minus 1 according to the this definition we can written this Sn इक्वल टू क्या है, m इक्वल टू n टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू एच एम, और अगर मैंने एक बाहर निकाल लिया तो पहले जो Sn था उसे Sn माइनस 1 लिख सकते हैं हम, सो सेम थिंग आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर, ओके, in terms of Sn, okay, so Hn equal to so from here you can find out the impulse response Hn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So if you want to calculate the impulse response Hn, it will be Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay, so इससे क्या statement, if we want to write down this statement, so easily you can find out using this equation that the impulse response of a discrete time LSI system is first difference of its step response. ओके, स्टेप रिस्पॉन्स क्या था? एस एन, फर्स्ट डिफरेंस मीन्स एस एन माइनस वन. सो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस हमारा जो होता है वो हमारा क्या कहलाता है? इम्पल्स रिस्पॉन्स. सेम थिंग इफ आई टॉक अबाउट फॉर द कंटिन्यूअस time LSI system. So for that HT I'm just writing directly, that will be differentiation of ST dST by dt, and your H जो step response है ST, it will be minus infinity to t H tau d tau. Okay, so in this way what we have done, we have taken first generalized equation yn equal to xn convolution with hn. Okay, and we know the formula of convolution over here, you can see over here. Now according to the definition we have to put the input as a unit step. So in this equation we have put the x equal to uk. When we are doing this it will be your step response. So output को हमने क्या मान लिया? Let's see, step response के लिए Sn मान लिया. Okay, now when you put this value we will get this equation over here, k equal to 0 to minus infinity as k equal to 0 to infinity h n minus k. Now let's see this n minus k equal to m. So when you put n minus k equal to m, we have to find out these limit also, कि upper limit और lower limit क्या है. So we put this k equal to 0 and k equal to infinity over here, and we found out that m equal to n, m equal to minus infinity, lower limit and upper limit. So we put this value over here, we will get this equation in terms of m. Okay, now this equation rewrite in this way, interchanging the your upper and lower limit. So minus infinity to n. Okay, now if you want to take out the first जो last component or last element क्या होगा? When you put m equal to n, so it will be hn. So hn को हमने बाहर ले लिया अगर, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिमिट बची है? अपर लिमिट क्या होगी? n minus 1 simply, and that is nothing else the Sn minus 1. So we can write it down, this hn impulse response equal to, for discrete time LSI system at impulse response hn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. And for continuous time, if you are consider continuous time LSI system, so it will be equal to impulse response st equal to differentiation of st t by dt of st, and this st is minus infinity to t h tau d tau. Okay, so in this way we can calculate these step response.